how we can set up a system for Facebook ads. This is what we are going to learn in day 23 of One Funnel Away Challenge. So, welcome, guys. My name is Mohan, and you are watching Affiliate Influx. And without any delay, let's start the video. Till now, in week number one, we have learned how we can set up our business page. After that, we have learned how we create content for our business and how we promote our business or how we promote our content for our business. So now today we will learn how we can create a system for Facebook ads that will generate to revenue. Before moving ahead in this video, I just wanted to reiterate one thing, that if you are new to the online marketing, please do not go with Facebook ads directly. Please have that Facebook organic and generate some revenue from that, and then only you can try Facebook ads, because it is not 100% sure that your Facebook ads will give you revenue, because things which are important for your Facebook ads to be successful. This we are moving to the slide 1 of day 23. Importance of Facebook ads. What Facebook ads does, basically Facebook ads accelerate what you have. If you have any product, if you have any services, you can promote your services or your product using Facebook ads. We will understand this by using this example. So suppose there is a lettuce farmer, and some he has connected with some of the farmers, and they have connected with other farmers. But there is another farmer who just want to get into the system, but he does not know how he can get into this community. So suppose this is Michael, and he is a lettuce farmer who teaches people how to do lettuce farming. So what Michael has done, he has created one business page, and in his business page, he has created a video about the lettuce farming. He has connected with Facebook groups that are related to farming. So not all the groups, but some groups allows people to share their content. So Michael shared his videos in the groups, and he has got few custom audience or few video views. Based on that, Facebook created one look-alike audience or group of people who are really interested in lettuce farming. And then by this way, Michael has got many leads in his page, in his business page. And after that, Michael has nurtured those leads, those audience, and they went from cold to warm, and warm to hot. So this is how Michael nurtured his audience. And after that, once they are the audience, he has pitched his product, or you can say he has run the Facebook ads to navigate his audience to the sales page. And he has launched his business using ClickFunnels. And at the launch only, he has earned more than $200,000. Okay, so this is how Michael has achieved this kind of business. It was not an overnight game. He has nurtured his audience. It may take 3 months, it may take 3 months, it may take 6 months, 1 year, or 2 year for you to get to that level. So now when Michael has the audience, everything, what he does, he has just entered into the system. He want to enter into the system. How he has entered, he has already created this lookalike audience, and now everyone knows him. Like, okay, he is Michael, and he is expert in lettuce farming. Michael want to enter in this community, so he has joined one group, and based on this content, Facebook has created some custom audience, and he has connected with those custom audience. After posting content for some time, he is now having a he is having large audience. You are also starting your page. If you are starting your business, you can also apply the same strategy. You can join the related groups and share your content if it is allowed, and you can create your custom audience. After that, you can create hook, story, and offer, and by that you will convert your cold audience to the warm and then the hot audience, and then you can pitch your product at last. So again, as I said, it may take time. Okay, so let's move to the next slides. So now niche, activity, and ads manager. What are those? What are those? So you need to find the right niche and you should promote your product at the right place. This targeted audience is very, very important. As Michael did, he has find the correct niche and he has pitched the product at the right place. He has joined the group who are related with the farming. So you should also find the groups as per your niche. Okay, and right activity. Sometimes when we go to some pages, some groups, you can see like there are a lot of members, maybe 1000k member, 200k member, 500k members. But if someone is posting in that group, you will see no engagement. So beware when you are joining the page or when you are following the page or joining some groups. So activity is very important. Audience is not the number of or number of members are not important, because if they are not active in the group, if they are not engaging with the post, there is no meaning of having 1000 members in the group with zero or no likes, no comments in any post. And after that, you should do the you should use the ads manager. There are different features in ad manager. We are going to learn more about this in tomorrow video. So these are the three things which is very, very important. How you can launch your rocket. So basically, first you should have the target audience, as we have discussed. Again, like they will be cold, then you should convert them into the warm and then the hot audience. Once your audience is set up, once you have the audience, you can use the pixel, Facebook pixel. What is Facebook pixel? You must have noticed that whenever you are doing some kind of shopping with Amazon, and if you have opened some product, and after that, if you did not buy that product, go and check your Facebook on the same computer, you will see a lot of ads. So this is all about the pixels. So pixels basically is good for tracking the activity. Using pixel, you can actually check what your user, what your audience is doing. Third thing will be creative. Once you are creating, if you are creating the ads for your product, you should be very creative. And sometimes that pattern interruption works, because if people or user is scrolling his mobile, and once he sees something is different, so which is not the part of the pattern, right? So it is called pattern interrupt. If you share something by which people are hooked, then it is called the pattern interruption. And along with that, you should also measure your return on investment. So you should track whatever you are spending in Facebook ads and how much you are getting out of it. At last, what you should do today, as you are already doing post, you need to set up some Excel, you need to set up events in Ad Manager, and again, you need to put the ad account information in Facebook Ad Manager. There are three types of Facebook ads which you can create. One will be conversational starters, or you can say like, I have created one framework which helped me to get the success. If you want, it is available for $20, so they can purchase. So whoever wants, they can purchase it. Second one is the screenshot or the pictures. You can take the screenshot of the others earning or other success who have got successful by using your product, your services, and you can post the screenshot, and other people will get inspired, that they will think like, if this product can help them, so this product can also help them. And by this way, you can definitely get a lot of engagement and a lot of leads or conversion also. And other one will be the video form. So in the video, you can give the top tip, or if they want more, you can again move them to your sales page. This is what we have learned in day 23.